guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Vito, small pikin, wey lie for my head. You met your Waterloo, this me, the Don Dada, and Omofuma himself. The Don Dada. This is me, the Don Dada himself. You never see something from Vito. You never see anything. For you to come and go talk for a view matter. This is where I go blow, I go expose you, I go crush you, I will crush you. I just want to around the area. I too big pass you any day, anytime. I big pass you, I be done for this country, I be done. I be great done for this country. Hey boy. Yeah, boy, my records are clean, very clean. Not get dubious character, not get anything dirty for my records. Thank God I don't get passport. We will go punish you, I'll be your mate. Make a go punish you. Make a go buy you. Who give you right to say adulterous? Shut up your mouth for there. Shut up your fucking mouth. A small boy. That's what you are. You be boy. You see nothing. Boy, we just come from nowhere, for Libya, lapa, you want adulterous for your own selfish interests. You are stupid, very stupid, like a Murphy, stupid, tougher than a stupid human being. You plus the Murphy, you dey work on the Murphy pattern. Tougher than too stupid. Una be goats from the pit of hell. You dey mad? I think that me go break you. Is that a joke? Then you just had to work on Facebook. I can do it that I made a blog page today. I will crush you. I want to crush you. Idiot. Small boy. Do your whatever, do your scam. Do whatever you want to do in your scam, but don't bring it onto Facebook. Don't bring it there. Not gonna do judge. You're not competent to be a judge over anybody's life. That area, I go tackle you. When I choose to tackle you, I will tackle you for that area. That area, you're not a judge over anybody's matrimonial affair. Go first marry. Once you don't marry, know how to marry before you go to talk about people marriage. That's my business with you henceforth. You're a boy. You be boy. Idiot. You inside one room they talk. The people they listen to you. I just look how people so stupid, so depressed to listen to an idiot like you. Who are you? What knowledge do you have? When it comes to knowledge, which school you go? You get knowledge. Which knowledge you get? Are you very crazy? You sit down for that one room, they dance, when you dance, you can sit down, they talk. People will just, they brainwash idiots. Idiots will listen to you. Mumu will listen to idiots like you. Mumu, they follow Mumu. When they go for put, don't be got they will fall put. Are you crazy? Think whether if you did there 200,000 Mumu, they watch you. They watch you, they want to see your folly. You are foolish. I tell you, you be foolish boy. You not get anything. Nobody will trust you on this earth. This earth all day today. I will see that person will trust you. Where you go marry you, where you go put for house, where you go born pikin with. Make we see that person. Me, I tell you, I want to see that woman will trust you. Where you go born with her. Except you become a recluse. You must become a recluse. You could just go hide for somewhere nobody go see you. You go hide. You go hide. The tax will put upon your shoulder, it don't big pass you. I tell you that shoulder, it's not even strong, which I will cut her. Personally, me, I will cut you to size, I'll cut you to size. I say I will do. They mad. They Chris, this is how sit down, they talk. They talk for 20 hours. They find money for Facebook. When God don't bless me already. Where are they today? You know, before you go reach another 20 years. Before if you get the kind of document I get, you go reach another 10, 20 years. And you can never even get it. Today again, you know if you get them again. You cannot get it. You are very stupid. Talk for nothing tomorrow. For you to come talk. What if people that talk? This is my challenge for you. Go break proof. If not, go and break proof, because 7 days time I'm coming out to. The soul I'll give her. You go see him. You go see him. 7 days that I'll give you. That from Victor. Stupid boy from Victor. You hear, boy? Make a go kill you. For Benin, where the past you start for where I start for Benin. Where me start for Benin City, you will start for there. Or where I start for Worry, you will start for there. Or where I start for Ogeli, you will start for there. Small boy, the word of God strike you dead. I see one commenter say, I dey fear Frank Victor. Make a go kill you, plus you. Who they fear you? Make the word of God strike you. Not be mad to go there talk. What do you want to talk again? You talk say you fuck your pikin. That your pikin you fuck. You prove am. If you don't prove am, I will swear for you. It go hot, It go too sweet. It go too sweet. I don't be Atori. I never Atori the fear to swear. I go swear for you, Thank God say I get great family back home. My family won't swear. I spend the pause. But I give you 7 days time. If you don't come out, come debunk the lie we put for my head, you go collect water. That is why you go take die. Or go kill you. Who be your mate? And John will be your mate. You did Chris. You go kill you. This will be your mate. You will be strong man. Very strong to the core. Dogged and rugged. At this house, I just come out. Make I take air aside. They will kill you. You come out, can't do video like this for street. They will carry people to see you. If police don't catch you. Police don't catch you for the city of where you did for that your village. Where they hide inside one room. Ogun will kill you, I'll be your mate. You're very stupid. Tó fún mi.
Fún mi, sim.
Tó fún mi. Não fún mi, tio. Não fún mi. Ogun dey kill you for Vito. For Vito. You walk by, you go by very soon. All those your stupid camp followers, the jetted for followers, they walk up compete with men we don't arrive, we don't achieve already. We don't finish everything. Not be this time, not be this day. I go to compete with you. I don't big pass you. I don't pass you. I don't pass you for life. I don't pass you. There's nothing you can do about it. I don't pass you. Don't pass you. Come out. Make you do video. Make you talk to Igbo. Tell make we see you safe and with her. Then you talk for streets. Not inside room where they hide as a recluse, undocumented idiot that you are. You be fucking undocumented idiot. Come out for street. Come out for street, they talk. If you don't say you're strong, come out for street, they talk. I could not say you're strong. Unda. Very stupid boy. They say the bank camera they talk for street because you know if you do one. You know if you do one. Because you know what you know if you do not they condemn. You tell them for Bush or for Germany, you go they do video. Before they tell me, I saw Bush they do video. I not get house. But I don't show you house. You go they do for Bush. You do it for Bush. Waiting for Germany. When they pursue come up for Germany. Now you come to Italy. You see they make match. They shout like the idiot that you are. You can't put idiotic word they put on my head. Can't come out. I will not free you for that word. Never. Not until I die, I'm not gonna free you. I go know whether you strong past me. Put all your forces together. If you be a hero, whatever, Oh wow, whatever you be. I not be a very traditional person, but for this one, thank God I get sisters. Maybe they're good for those things. I get sisters. I get 10 sisters. I was born with 14 of us. 2 boys, 12 women, great women. They will go punish you. Don't tell my family they swear for you right now, they will kill you right now. Just have a chair. You drink or you go with the cashy head, go they talk nonsense. They give you very great pass. Now I get words of wisdom pass. Now I to police pass. Those idiot women we don't frustrate. Where they found go fuck there. They call the color. They prepare to a doom. Your doom is near. Seriously, your doom is near. Your doom is very close. Your doom is good. Very close. Your doom is close. As they prepare you to your doom is close. You plus the Murphy. Don't tell the Murphy say may not beg you not to insult me. Don't even say you don't insult me. Insult me the more. Insult me and I will come for you. I will come for you very soon. The Murphy is not competent to tell you not to. The Murphy is a stupid man. For me, the Murphy is very stupid. Very stupid. Very stupid. To me, the Murphy is so stupid. So not because of the Murphy, so insult me. Insult me. Just insult me where. Keep on telling the lies and see how very fast you're gonna go. You're very stupid. Yeah, boy. Never see nothing. Never see anything. Never put 2 left for ground. You want to show yourself. Go see her water now. Water. Now telling me are you there? You go see her. You go see her very soon. You will see it very soon. How it will happen to you. Copy my words. Record my words. You will see how it will happen to you very, very soon. You're a very useless boy. Very stupid boy from the pit of hell. You are a useless boy. Now me talker, you useless. You be stupid boy. Make I leave now for dinner. I leave now for dinner. I have to do something. I want to pick money for somewhere. I leave now for dinner. That boy too small. But this house. Because sit down, go plan story. He go write script. Go call fool now. Come go do juju. Make it they talk. Make people they swore they follow on. Very useless boy. As a fair boy, do. He not do resist you, yeah, boy. He silent. A fair boy not talk again. A fair boy go talk to me by force. It is a go stand our mouth. We not fit talk to her. Ogu will kill you. I will talk to you any day, any time. Who won't die for Victor? I will talk to you any day, any time. What betide you? Mr. Vino, I want to drink vino. Let Mr. Vino drink vino now. I show the word. I drink vino. I not call the phone. Mr. Vino, as not call me. Yes, I drink vino. Mojib.
Oh,
come here. Come here, Mojib. Ciao. Ciao. See. See. Mr. Vino, want drink vino. You can drink vino. You can drink wine. I'll go punch your love for now. I'm waiting enough to buy. Now we complain. Omofuma, the great lion, the tiger come back. Dami Frisanti. No, Bianco. I'm the Don. I want to sit down around me. We'll go punish all those weaklings, those dollars. Fucking dollars. Will not be dollars. Dollars. No action, no level, nothing. That's there for us. The person got killed now. All of them. Single Frank Victor don't turn out to something. Yes. The connection not good for us. But then they swear I've spoken. Who get to hear me here? I know if I'm going to meet any day, anytime. Make una the zwar, the fellow fan with the gossip. We get great issue to face of Africa. One of the zwar for there, mumu, who down frustrated, uneducated fools way for Europe. Very stupid people. Yeah, foul the smell back home. So no live video.
Yeah, live. Hey, see, live. Tô guardando som de uma coisa guardando.
See, una mumu what could I go see that they look for Victor? All those single mothers, frustrated idiots. When I go see that they look at men, they make money. When I see that refugee, they wait for government benefit. That idiot they use nothing, they hammer. Men, they make money, they go. Men, they make strong money on their own, working hard. Not be idiots where they watch from Victor. Mumu. Go and subscribe to my YouTube. Bezanza. They don't block my page. They don't block my page. I go subscribe. It's an idiot. As far as I'm concerned, it's an idiot. A fucking idiot from the pit of hell. That's what he is. For it to come, insult me. Huh? It is swear. Let's have the best for the last. The men will be separated from the boys. I said so. So shall it be. I'm done for the now.